Scene script. Imagine this. You've been anticipating the upgrade to Windows 11, the latest and greatest in operating system technology. But when you finally get around to it, you're met with error messages and installation issues. Frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. Many users have experienced similar roadblocks due to hardware driver compatibility issues. Hardware drivers act as a translator between your operating system and your hardware devices. They're crucial for your computer to function correctly. When drivers are incompatible with your new OS, you may encounter problems such as installation errors, device malfunctions, or even system crashes. According to Microsoft, the first step to ensure your hardware drivers are compatible with Windows 11 is to verify that your system meets the minimum requirements. This includes checking the CPU, RAM, storage, and graphics capabilities of your device. Additionally, your device should use modern drivers that align with Windows 11 standards, specifically the Declarative Componentized Hardware Support Apps or DCH design principles. Microsoft also provides a handy tool called the PC Health Check app. This application assesses whether your device is eligible for Windows 11. Search for PC Health Check in the Windows search bar, run the app, and select Check Now. Just remember, it might take up to 24 hours for Windows Update to refresh your eligibility information. If you're itching to get your eligibility info updated more quickly, fret not. You can manually refresh it using the Task Scheduler or the Administrator command prompt. Now, if your drivers are already compatible with Windows 10, chances are they'll work with Windows 11 too. But it's always a good idea to ensure your drivers are up to date. Visit your hardware manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers, specifically designed for Windows 11. Look out for DCH drivers, which follow modern standards. Microsoft also provides a program called the Windows Hardware Compatibility Program, or WHCP. This program ensures that drivers are qualified and digitally signed for Windows 11. It offers guidance for developing, testing, and distributing drivers. Keep in mind, even if you've made all the necessary hardware changes, you might not gain immediate access to Windows 11. The upgrade will roll out gradually based on factors like hardware eligibility and reliability metrics. So there you have it. Ensuring your hardware drivers are compatible with Windows 11 is no small feat, but with the right tools and resources, you can navigate this process smoothly and confidently. Happy upgrading. That's it for our comprehensive guide on driver compatibility with Windows 11. We've walked you through the challenges with the Windows 11 upgrade, ensuring hardware driver compatibility, updating and ensuring driver compatibility, and the gradual rollout of Windows 11. Remember, ensuring driver compatibility is crucial for a smooth Windows 11 upgrade, so take the time to get it right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting videos. See you in the next one.